What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Today marks the day, 31 years since I came out of my mother's stomach C-section because I was 9 point something pounds. I was a beast right out of the womb. So we're going to go over Gala Games. Hope everybody's doing well. Happy Monday. We're sitting at 0.024. Up 3% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 797 million. 25 volume is 51 million. So let's look at Gala Games. We bounced out of our wave 2 pullback zone as we were anticipating. So now you have a micro 1, 2, and then you would look to continue up in a wave 3 and fill out that inverse head and shoulders. So we can take a trend-based fib extension from the bottom of the 1 to the top, bottom of the 2. Well, I just switched to Airbnbs once again and just trying to set up my workstation here, and I'm using this as my mouse pad at the moment, and it's not the best. Wow, I got my arrow perfectly pointed at the 161.8, so that would be a target of 0.034. That's right around my break even for my largest investment, which is Gala Games. So if we look at our next chart here, we're putting in an inverse head and shoulders. So if we do come up and break that neckline, I can give you guys a target, take a trend line from the bottom of the neck, take it up to, from the bottom of the head, up to the neckline, and that will take you up to about 0.03468. So right up with that wave 3 target, and you can see we do have some resistance in that area, support here, support here. So that's the target we're looking for our friend Gala. We are in a long trade. Our Solana long trade already hit TP1. We're in a long trade for ETH as well as Gala. So that's what we're looking for. That's the analysis. You can get completely free access to my trade signals with a sign up and deposit to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America. When you sign up through my link, which is at the top of the comments, you get 10% back on every single trade on your fees. And then once you make your first deposit, can be $10, $100, doesn't matter. Just send me email. I'll give you completely free access to my VIP rooms, which include my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, as well as Forex signals. We've been crushing it. Here's the monthly report on Forex. We added 18% to the account. So here's your account sizes. If you had 5,000, you added 902 in the month. If you had 50,000, that's a nice $9,000. So you can kind of have an idea of how much money you can make with trading, depending on your account size, risking 2% per trade. Completely free access with a sign up and deposit to BITUNIX. If you don't want to go the BITUNIX route, you can sign up through the Patreon for $10 a month, and that will also give you full access. We have almost 3,000 members here in the Discord. All links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.